Right, we are gonna eat fried squid and tomatoes and some sunny side up with egg and some veggies or tofu, like tofu.
Guys,
Right.
let's pray muna.
We have fried and I can't taste. Guys.
Oh.
Phone is damaged. Marriage 8. November 16. November 16. I am gonna. Oh no. November 6th. I will 9. Jane is gonna be 10 because she's 1 year older than I. I don't get it. My birthday is so long. Don't get why. Some of you people it's like January 1. And then your birthday right after. And then me was like, oh, like 1 year. I'm close to 1 year. Don't have any filters. This is my real house. Not any filters. Not there for subscribe. This is the closet. What am I hiding? Is it like when sure people like me? There's this light. maybe. Uh, hmm. It's really good. I don't know how long other people with socks on, crafty, shark. I game alright, I game. And I'm good at game. In future videos, you can see me game and reaction. Other people's videos. Playing games is my duty. And watching. Because that's my duty. It's very good. This fried squid tastes a lot better than anything else. Tastes so delicious. It might be chewy, but that's what squids are, chewy. The flavor, it kind of changes when you chew every time. Texture, very crunchy. And, then it is and you watch console and stuff that have a dirty mind. Yeah. This water don't, you saw nothing. Editor's back. Editor's back. Okay.
Mom.
I still don't know what AKA means. If it's very crunchy, the flavor doesn't go like crazy. Some of my friends are gonna be in videos and challenges like Balloons TV, my favorite game. the hell? I just hope this was full. This one, the middle is like that was full, and that was just plain stomach. Personal. My best friends are gonna be some mothers. Yeah. If you don't Junjun Charles, that game was brutal. I'm facing the facing that song, Junjun Charles, and Chewy Cat, Kalari. Cool, right? Hold on, guys. Raise it back. Okay. But the crunch, though, that really gives it a texture. This is squid. Squid. If you don't know this chick, you're just dumb. Huh? I'm almost died. My personal editor is still not done. Halfway. I don't know. Weird stuff with it. Cool. See you next time, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.